Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we've got our very own 2025 Ram 3500. So we've been having a blast with this truck. We got it back in April, hammered out the 3-inch kit. We ripped out to Deadwood for the motorcycle show, pulled the trailer, got the bugs out of the 3-inch system. It's a good thing we jumped right on it, because right now I think we have like 6 Rams in the shop right now. Most of them are getting the exact same kit. So starting at the front, we did a set of Delta front bumpers, and we didn't do any paint work on this. This is just like you bring us a truck, showroom fresh. These are powder coated bumpers. Saves the guy some bucks if he doesn't want to pay for color match paint. We got the 20-inch rigid in the front. We got black monster hook and a pair of 4-inch rigids here in the wings. So as I mentioned, we have our 3-inch kit. So we base this off of the Ford 3-inch kit that we recently developed. The biggest thing changes of what we've done in the past is we actually have made our radius arms a little bit longer. So we're pushing the axle forward about 1 inch, which is going to give us that extra clearance we need, because we want to run 37-inch tires. The goal here is the shortest lift we can do and still run 37s without having major rubbing issues. So this front kit, besides the radius arms, comes with all the bracketry, our Raptor shocks, and we have the drop brackets for the sway bar. We have the front steering and stabilizer kit. So the ride on this is fantastic. So the rear suspension is our 4-link design. It's got the big sway bar, because obviously you got a 3500 dually. You're buying this to pull big trailers. We've got the Raptor shocks that are tuned. And for the wheel and tire combination, these are the brand new Open Country RTs. These are the actual pros. So these are the first set we've actually used. I'm looking forward to seeing how these work pulling the big trailer. These are an F load rating, which obviously is bigger than E, because Hooked on Phonics worked for me. Gives you better towing capacity, less chance of heat buildup and having tire issues. So we are running 24-inch American Forces on these. So these are not 37 by 12 5s or even 13 5s. These are actually a metric. These are a 315/50 R24. The rear bumper is our Alpha series, and it's the same thing as what we've been using 99 and current. We have our monster hooks in the back. We've got our 4-inch rigids for backing up. Really, the only difference is, the plug-in's a little bit different. And then over here, we've got a bolt-in bracket mount for the backup camera kit that comes with it. So if you want to buy the Mopar backup camera to put on the back of your trailer, we've got the little bracket all set up for you. Pretty cool setup. Same thing as the front. It's powder coated. It's not color matched. And now for some excitement, we got new product, man. So yes, I know, we got a stock tire under here and we're running 37s, but it's under there for a reason. And that is because we have our 3H kit is tucked up underneath here. It's between the bed and the spare tire. We just did this for the Fords, and now we got it for the Dodges, which means if you've been following us for a long time, usually that 3H is a big box and there's no spare tire under here. Well, we've got her figured out. You can keep spare tire now. For all you guys that aren't going to run bigger tires, or even guys that just want to do a larger tire like a 35. A 35 will fit under here now. So that's the reason we have this under here, to show guys that might be interested in a stock height kit, which uses a lot of the same components. This is what you're going to have. Spare tire in the factory location. It's a kind of a game changer for us, so we're real excited to offer that now. Well, Sturgis is right around the corner. We're throwing the 45-foot toy hauler on this, 800 miles out to the Black Hills, pulling that big 18,000-pound trailer. Real life product testing right here. And stay tuned for the Sturgis episode that'll be out in a couple weeks. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.